If you had to pick one company with amazing UX design, what company would it be?
Peloton.
Tough. But I think I have to go with Spotify. I love their products. I'm a huge music fan. Spotify, hire me.
Accenture.
Probably, I would say Airbnb.
I love Airbnb's design.
I really like Airbnb. I just go there all the time to figure out how they solve complicated problems because they have different features for hosts and for guests. It's just very easy to use.
Because it's clean, it's straightforward, easily accessible for all types of users, and gets you to your success rather quickly.
They have amazing design, amazing UX. I also really like Duolingo. It's hard to beat Duolingo. The UX from the copywriting to placement of buttons to colors, I mean, it's really well done. Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna say Headspace because it's the first thing that came into my mind, and I just love their like little blobs that follow you around, and I just think that they have great UI, and it just feels calming but also fun, and it's, yeah, I would say Headspace.
I'd probably choose Google because they do so many things so well that you don't even think about it, and that is the goal at the end of the day with UX design.